Oh.
I saw you taking out my mom.
That's your mom. She's really pretty.
I know. Do you want a phone number?
You do that for me?
Yeah, sure. $5.
$5? Yeah, man. I got $5. Here. Okay. Awesome.
Here's the number. 818.
Okay. Sweet. Who should I ask for?
Ferran. What are you doing? Oh, by the way, ask for Roxy.
Roxy.
Let's go, let's go.
Got a lucky Hey, I'm trying to reach Roxy.
Roxy? Hey, who's this?
This must be some kind of misunderstanding. Can I talk to the kid?
You want to speak with my son? Hey, man, you must have the wrong number.
Wrong number.
Hey, don't call me back anymore, please. Bye.
Got scammed by a 3-year-old.
Too many desperate guys in this world.